Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. Welcome to another session of EN-534 Environmental Law and Policy Development by Tufail Ali Zubedi. In our previous classes, we discussed some sections of the Sindh Environmental Protection Act 2014. In today's class, we will discuss, in particular, Section 25, which is related to the establishment of Environmental Protection Tribunal and courts. Section 25 deals with the establishing of Environmental Protection Tribunal through notification in Official Gazette by the Government of Sindh. It may establish one or more and specify its territorial limits to exercise its jurisdiction as specified in the Sindh Environmental Protection Act 2014. Subsection 2 specifies composition of the Environmental Protection Tribunal as having a chairman and two technical members. The chairman, as described here, shall be appointed after consultation with the Chief Justice of the High Court and shall be, or has been, or qualified as a judge of the High Court. From the other two members, at least one shall be a technical member nominated from the Sindh Environmental Protection Agency with suitable, relevant professional qualification and experience. Subsection 3 requires that the presence of chairman and at least one member is necessary for a sitting of Environmental Protection Tribunal. A decision of the Environmental Protection Tribunal is expressed in terms of the opinion of the majority of its member, including the chairman. If a case has been decided by the chairperson and only one of the member, and there is a difference of opinion between them, the decision of the Environmental Protection Tribunal shall be expressed in terms of the opinion of the chairperson. Subsection 5 requires that EPT or the Environmental Protection Tribunal shall not be bound to recall or rehear any witness who has given evidence and may act on the evidence already recorded by or produced before it. Subsection 3 requires that the EPT may hold its sitting at a place within its territorial jurisdiction. If there is an issue, such as defect or loophole in the Constitution of the Environmental Protection Tribunal, its act and proceedings shall not be invalidated. Subsection 8 states that the terms and conditions of service of the chairperson and the members shall be prescribed. Section 26 deals with the jurisdiction and powers of Environmental Protection Tribunal to exercise powers and functions given to it under Sindh Environmental Protection Act 2014. Subsection 2 confers the powers to EPT to try all contraventions. EPT shall try offence when it has received a complaint in writing by the following organizations. EPT shall have the same power as under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898 for exercise of its criminal jurisdiction. EPT shall have the same power under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 for exercise of its appellate jurisdiction. EPT shall follow procedure laid down in the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 in all matters with respect to which no procedure has been provided for in this Act. The Act is Sindh Environmental Protection Act. This is a summary of the powers conferred upon Environmental Protection Tribunal's judge. The EPT may issue bailable warrants for the arrest of any person against whom reasonable suspicion exists of his having been involved in contravention. The application shall be filed by any officer and duly authorized by the Director General. Section 8 is related to court proceedings. Section 9 prohibits other court jurisdictions in its environmental matters. This is to be read with SEPA Act 2014, Section 35, power to override other laws also. Section 10 deals with the false and vicious complaints. In case the EPT is satisfied, it shall order the complainant to pay to the person complained against compensatory cost which may extend to 100,000 rupees. Section 29 deals with the jurisdiction of a judicial magistrate. Please go through the slide and the next one.